First referee, Mr. Jess Villarreal, National Referee. Second referee, Mr. Severino Cilia, National Referee. Let's call on our starting lineup from our Lady Knights of the Colegio de San Juan de Letran. Let's start off with jersey number 1, Sarah Jane Espelita. At number 3, their setter, Queenie Marie Mondejar. Wearing jersey number 5, Micaela Lopez. At number 9, Melissa Koo. And guest player with jersey number 14, Pachari Sangmuang. Guest player with jersey number 17, Melissa Camille Ogana. Libero number 7, Honey Chris Lacerna. Head coach, Mr. Brian Esquivel. Calling on our Lady Stags of the San Sebastian College. Wearing jersey number 2, Trisha May Crisostomo. At number 3, guest player and team captain, Suzanne Roses. Wearing jersey number 6, Sarina Bourbano. At number 7, guest player, Gerency Jeng Boli. Wearing jersey number 9, Maria Ara Malyare. And at number 13, Jolina Labiano. Libero number 8, May Denise Crisostomo. Head coach, Mr. Clint Malazzo.
Ayan na po, pinakilala na po starting 6 para sa magkabilang koponan. We are at the arena dito po sa San Juan City. At of course, dito po nyo mabibili itong ating 10th anniversary coffee table book ng Shakey's V-League. At mga nakaabot pa ng unang-unang Shakey's V-League, ayan yung mga pioneer. Oh. Hanapin nyo dyan si Ging Balse, hanapin nyo dyan sila Maureen Penetrante. Oo. So it's a perfect collection para sa ating lahat. Ito po ang ating pioneer teams. One of the features dito po sa ating 10th anniversary Shakey's V-League Coffee Table Book. Phonetics time, www.v-league.ph, the official website. Like us on Facebook and follow us V-League_PH on Twitter. And you can also use the hashtag Shakey's V-League. Sana mag-trending na naman tayo dyan. First point of the game is a service fault. Galing dito ay Queenie Mondejar. Puntos kagad para sa Lady Stags.
Well, you know, this is actually magandang laban nito because two teams vying for their first win.
Right. Here is Pachari Sangmuang, pinakialaman ni Jan Boli. Looked like it was going to go out. So nagkita kagad yung dalawang Thai imports.
They're either or, that hit the blocker's hand eh.
So ito ngayon service para sa koponan ng Letran. Crisostomo, that's Chris Crisostomo, at itong si Ara Malyare able to get the first point of the game para sa sarili niya.
Si Crisostomo looks so young in that squad, no?
Yun na nga, yan ang tinatawag lang si Shobe kasi si Ate May, yun naman ang libero. So the Crisostomo sisters seeing action here. As Jolina Labiano with the serve, if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Hermano, Jang Boli! Hello, Letran!
Turnaround spike para kay Boli.
Ito magiging magandang matchup. I would not be surprised kung may makita tayong career high for both the Thai imports dito. Magiging personal ito para sa kanilang dalawa. Labiano converted from setter to utility spiker. What a serve. And going across ngayon, itong koponan ng Letran. Boli. Ayan na naman. That Boli just using her smarts.
I'm sure alam niya na, so, you know, this Letran squad may respect when it comes to her power. So, they're really, by the end line, nobody there for the tip.
Labiano once again with this very wild-looking serve. At napalakas na tira ni Jolina. 4-2 in favor of San Sebastian. Again, as Noreen mentioned earlier, both teams looking for their first win dito.
Dalawa na kayo rito.
Para hindi tayo sanay na Letran yung San Sebastian yung nakakapa for their first win. Bad set that time by Shobe. And an easy put away for Sara Espelita. Yan ang kailangan mag-step up sa Letran. Sara Espelita, we all know what she can do. Pero so far, wala pa talaga siya nakakontribute.
Well, syempre, may jitters din yung player because, you know, I think it's the first time here in the V-League.
That's That could be true. Ito ngayon, si Jang Boli again. Alam mo si Boli, mainit na magsimula yan dito. That's 3 of the first 5 points of San Sebastian nakuha rito ng kanilang tie reinforcement. Ayan.
Well, I saw her kanina sa dugout and then she said if we don't win, she gave me that, you know, that...
Na-slit yung
Oh,
lalamunan.
na-slit.
Good attack there, Melissa Koo. Alam mo, si Melissa Koo has been the most consistent local naman para dito sa kuponan ng Letran. So 5-4.
Dalawa lang mablaki nyo.
Espelita serving. Roses.
Well, San Sebastian actually now opting not to use a libero.
Oo nga. Here is the attack from Mika Lopez. Boli. Good dig there from Espelita. Mondejar. Sangbuang getting it across. Combination for Boli.
Nagulat doon si Espelita.
6-4. Boli. 4 points already. Tama sinabi niya, no? Kung pwede mo lang Tagalogin sinabi niya kanina. Kung hindi kami nalo, patay.
Oo nga.
Pagsa ni Sangbuang, not a good reception. Espelita cannot get it across and says hi to our cameraman, Brother Jack Cabrito sa gilid. Ganda makuha natin yung angulo galing doon kay Brother Jack. Anong itsura ng isang volleyball player na pumupunta sa'yo?
Pero I have a question. Paano kung kunyari, in-attempt na nasira na yung camera?
Ewan ko.
Ano yun?
Magandang tanong, may tanong nga kay Direk yun. And Lopez is turned back by Roses. At si Roses, altering another shot by Letran. So far, so good para sa Lady Stags. They're up by 4.